How to add your maiden name on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your maiden name on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and click settings, and now go down and you will find here profile information, and then click this one, other names, add other name, and then click here and select maiden name, this one, and then just type your maiden name, and click this one if you want to show your maiden name at the top of your profile, and then click save. And that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.